Once you've made your edits and you're ready to share your new creation, you'll need to package up your project. In order to do that, you first need to go to the Mod Packaging tab on the left. Once you click on Mod Packaging, you're going to get this menu. In this menu, you have the option to add a name to your project. You can update your version or add details and release notes for this version of your project. Next, you're presented with a default output directory. You can choose to either use the default output or you can override the directory to a folder of your choice. Next, you're presented with the layers of your project. So however you set up your project, all of your USD layers will be here. And you select the layers that you want to make sure to be included in this package. Here we have our main mod USD package that has everything underneath it. So we select that. And then next under there, you have the option to redirect dependencies or to copy them. This is unchecked by default. Leaving it unchecked will copy all assets and dependencies into your project. You'll make this selection depending on your particular needs, whether you want to redirect the assets or copy them into this folder. Once you've updated your mod details and your output directory, you're ready to push the package button. Once you do, Remix will go through, verify that all your assets are there, copy them in your package if that was your selection, and get your project ready to share. Have fun!